guess where I am right now? I'm in London. And now I am at the Hyde Park. And yeah, the weather right now is so nice. It's not that hot and it's not that cold. Look at behind me. Today I'm in London and I'm just gonna bring you guys to Hyde Park and then Oxford Street. That's it, because this is my second time in London, and I will put the link to the video of my first London trip at the end of this video. Like, I've been to Big Ben, I've been to the London Eye, the Buckingham Palace to see all the like army or something. Yeah, it was so nice, but I went there like almost 2 years ago. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna like chill, relax. Yeah, let's go. Just now when I was walking from the Paddington station to the Hyde Park, there are so many like beautiful buildings. Like if you are really into like taking picture of yourself like with a nice background, and London is like the place for you. They are all like so beautiful, like the classic one. I mean, yeah, most of them are like the classic building. And yeah, they're like so nice. Hello guys, so I didn't vlog at all in Primark because there are so many people, and then I felt like shy. And then yeah, so I bought a lot of stuff, and now I'm heading back to the hotel, and I'm gonna continue my sleep. I need more sleep. I sleep only like for 2 hours. For like in more than within these 24 hours, I slept only 2 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna continue my sleep. Bye bye.